Hey, you're in the right place if you want to learn some country rhythm, because that's what we're going to learn today in this country rhythm guitar lesson, and that's coming up. Today I'm going to show you the finger positions of 3 chords, how to strum them, how to play them, so you'll sound just like most country song you hear on the radio. The chords are C, F, and G. This is now the nut of the guitar, so this is technically not a C chord, but it's in the shape of C. So your first finger is on the B string at the 1st fret from the capo. Second finger is on the 2nd fret of the D string, the 4th string, and your 3rd finger is way over here on the 3rd fret from the capo of the A string, the 5th string. You strum from the 5th string down. Then we've got the easy F chord. You're going to bar the first 2 strings at the 1st fret. Your 2nd finger is on the 3rd string at the 2nd fret, and your 3rd finger is stretched out on the 3rd fret of the D string. You're playing from the D string down. That's the F. Now we've got the G, covering the 3rd fret of the E string, the 2nd fret with your 2nd finger of the A string, and your pinky's down here on the 3rd fret of the E string. You're going to strum all the strings. The rhythm is so you hear a prominent bass line. So to play the C, you're going to pick the A string, strum. Then you're going to pick the E string and strum. So you're moving your 3rd finger from the A string to the E string. Then we're going to go to the G. So after you make the G chord, so you're going to pick the E string, strum, A string, strum. So practice doing that. E, strum, A, strum. So far we've got a C, and we've got G, and then the F. So after you make the F, we're going to pick the D string and strum, and move your pinky up to the A string and strum. And when you strum, you're going to strum the last 3 strings. So we've got C, G, C, then the F. Getting any value out of this lesson here, can you go ahead and click that like button, and I'll thank you now. If you want to get a deep dive into playing guitar, check out Sharon's Guitar Academy. The link's in the description. Consider subscribing for more guitar tips, and be sure to watch the next video. Thanks.